Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something special for all the customization lovers out there. If you've been following the latest leaks and updates, you know that the nothingos 4.0 UI changes are looking incredibly clean, minimalist, fast, and distraction-free. But you don't need a Nothing phone to get that look. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Nothing-style gallery app on any phone running Android 14 or above. Now, because Android 14 has stricter security, there is one crucial step involved with manual permissions that you cannot skip, or the app won't show your photos. So watch till the end to get it working perfectly. Let's dive in. First things first, you need the APK file. I've dropped the direct download link right in the video description below. Go ahead and download that file. Once it's done, open your file manager, find the APK, and tap Install. If you get a pop-up asking for permission to install from unknown sources, just toggle that on. It's a standard procedure for sideloading apps. Once installed, do not open the app just yet. Click Done. Okay, this is the most important part. Since we are on Android 14, the system is very protective of your media files. If you just open the app now, it might crash or show a blank screen because it can't trigger the permission pop-up automatically. We need to do this manually. Find the Nothing Gallery icon in your app drawer. Long press on it and tap on the little I button or App Info. Scroll down and tap on Permissions. You'll see photos and videos or music and audio in the Not Allowed section. Tap on Photos and Videos. You need to select Allow All or Allow Access to manage all files depending on your specific ROM. Do not choose Select Photos. You want the gallery to function like a native app, so give it full access. Now, go ahead and open the app. There it is. You can see that signature Nothing aesthetic immediately. It's incredibly fast, there's no bloatware, and it follows that latest 4.0 design language with high contrast and clean typography. It handles large libraries really well, and honestly, it just looks so much better than the stock galleries on most phones. And that is how you get the Nothing OS style gallery on your device in just a few minutes. Clean, simple, and functional. If you ran into any issues with the permissions, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Don't forget, the download link is waiting for you in the description. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more Android customization guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.